Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Shooting Star. You are with me, Priya. Today I'm here in Nagasandra at the IKEA Furnishing Solutions. Let me just go ahead and take you for a tour in IKEA. IKEA is a global leader in home needs furnishing. IKEA inspires home solution with a very affordable cost. So friends, there is a difference between IKEA and when you're shopping it in a retail store. At IKEA, you have an inspirational idea that fit into your budget needs and what exactly you are looking at. They offer more than 7,500 products to us and also services of home furnishings that is required for you. So viewers, IKEA is also known as world's leading Swedish furnishing retailer. It opens by 10 a.m. in the morning and it goes on till 10 p.m. where they give us the facility to shop what we need as per our home needs. There is also a Swedish restaurant that is in IKEA where you can have your desired food that is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. IKEA is located in Nagasandra and it is constructed on 12 acres of land. So this Nagasandra store in Bangalore is the fourth store that has been inaugurated after the store that is in Hyderabad, Navi Mumbai and Worli City store. So viewers, we have something called as a small land within IKEA, and in case your kids want to have some fun when you shop, you can just let them here. They'll be happy while you shop. So viewers, IKEA has a tagline which says, "Hey, welcome to IKEA." So the HEJ, that means hello in Swedish. That's beautiful. It's 3,790 rupees. IKEA was designed in Sweden in 1943 and they have given every theme a Sweden name. You can see them right on top. This has an landing. They look so real. It's just 181 rupees. So this is like box with lids and in Swedish it's called gliss. A perfect place to keep pens, pencils. They've given a brief description and it is just 159 rupees. These are so pretty. It's such a lovely setup for your new little born princess or your prince. Wow. So this is a reversible bed, so elegantly and classy designed. They're giving solutions for the doors as well as to with different designs. So this is something like a 4-panel for a sliding door frame. You can see the combinations and you can choose as to what you need. This section, viewers, is for your bedroom needs. Let's go and have a look. Your dressing table can also be designed this way. Complete combination of your bathroom would be costing you around 71,628. The price includes the cabinets, the wash basins, the mixer tapes and the mirror. So this price also includes the lighting and accessories. So those of you who are planning your house, your kitchen, your home needs, IKEA best place to be though. Beautifully designed mirrors out here in different shapes. So choose the best that you like. So viewers, the speciality is each product has their own names given in Swedish. Here it is the mab and here it is the napper. So that's the speciality of IKEA. So viewers, it's a complete setup like a home. You have a study room, you have a lovely kitchen that is designed, you have the space for all your washing needs. So this kitchen is beautifully designed. You have all required things that is needed. Your chef trays, you have your mini fridge, the water, the cabinets that is required, and there is a microwave. You have beautifully designed wardrobes, your kettle, your coffee maker, your filter coffee, all this setup. So the complete setup as a kitchen needs and everything comes with the price of 2,26,112. It's a complete kitchen combination. There's this garden lantern that is available at 3,490. Wow, look at the beauty of it. That's nice. Let's look how this is. Wow. That's again 3,490. So viewers, this room is for the young boys of the family. So it's just designed to the way they are. Plus you also have a momo maker, and in their Swedish language it's called as a clockwind, and that is available for around 2,086 rupees. It's Teflon coated, a set of 3 for 1,399. Viewers, this is for your lighting decorations at your home. Let's go and have a look. That's football light, 1,490. This is something different. That's beautiful. This is huge. Wow. So this is something which is costing you 9,990. But it's a unique piece. I really love it. Also can choose what kind of a light, the dimness and the brightness that is needed with these lights. Your complete house can be decorated as per what you need, and everything is available at IKEA. Just look like artificial ones, but trust me viewers, this is all original. They are so lovely. So viewers, I'm at IKEA and we have a couple of friends here. Let's just take their reviews as to how this place is, regarding the costing and regarding the product as well. So let's talk to Akila.
Yeah, it's good, but I don't think it's much affordable because sometimes it's seeing pricey. So, and coming to this for the first time, it's so huge.
How do you feel about the facilities and the arrangements that they've given for you?
Yeah, they have arranged it very well, very nice, properly. It's good.
Would you recommend somebody to come?
Yeah, sure. Because there are a lot of varieties and we can in each section.
Hi, Harish, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Harish, so what do you feel about the place?
I feel like the only thing I bought was, these pretty simple things.
Okay.
But apart from that, it seems to be a little pricey, But I would definitely recommend people to come and check out the ambience, the way things are arranged here. It is pretty fantastic.
Great, thank you. Thank you, Harish. Your name?
Manjushri.
Manjushri. So we have Manjushri here. Let's take her review. What do you feel about the place?
It's good. It's a lot of ideas. So it's very new kind of thing what I saw here, and we got so much things here which are very new outside India. So we can try it with a family. Pricing range it's from modest to pretty high. So but we can have a look.
Thank you so much, Manjushri.
Punit here.
Punit. Okay, hello Punit sir. So what do you feel about
So I feel the designs are Swedish design, so it is new to India. But I feel it's quite for everybody. It's for the person who is moderate and who are looking for high. Everybody there is something you can buy. But then also I just suggest that if some persons are there to guide some people, that would be really good. But the place is looking awesome, and the design, how they arranged it, is very nice. And I guess everybody should visit. I guess if my mom and wife visit, that would be like
a big time shopping.
Yeah, I know.
So let's make sure that we put this as a feedback in our channel, and if they are able to take it, nothing like that. Thank you, Mr. Punit.
Thank you.
You can also find the products that you need, search them and place an order. This is kind of an online ordering procedure. That's with baby children products. You have everything that is mentioned here, including the nursery furnitures. So let's go back eating. You have the cutlery items, then you have home electronics. It's search and then brings out a few products that are available. That's something nice at IKEA, viewers. So viewers, there's this Swedish restaurant and this is located within IKEA. Let's go have something to eat. Needs to be followed at IKEA to get through to the food counter. Let's go. Hello. So viewers, it took a solid 20 minutes for me to reach to this point from a long queue. So this is how food is being served at IKEA. we have something like a buffet system arranged. So we need to have our trays and we need to pick as to what we need. Let's go and see what are the delicacies available. So I'm taking a water bottle and let's go for a cake. As a chocolate cake. And meat piece. That's it. 12 piece. That's a chicken meatball dish. Some corn soup. So it's a Swedish menu today. Soups, nuggets and some chicken meatballs. Complete menu on the table costed me around 1,190 rupees. Let's enjoy the food all on my table. So viewers, this is our IKEA for you. That's in Bangalore, a 12,000 acre property which is totally utilized in a very organized way. And the time wasn't sufficient for me to cover the whole place. Yeah, but I've done what I could possibly show you. So hope you've liked my video. For those of you who have not subscribed my channel, please do it at the earliest, which is Shooting Star. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.